Transferring files over a network using sockets in Python is a common task that can be accomplished with the built-in socket module. This tutorial will guide you through creating a simple client-server application that allows you to send a file from a client to a server using Teco sockets. One, server listens for incoming connections and receives a file from the client. Client connects to the server and sends a specified file. Prerequisites: Python installed on your machine. Python 3x recommended. Basic understanding of Python programming and networking concepts. Step 1. Create the server first. We will create a server that listens for incoming connections and receives a file. Receive the file name conrect 1024. Decode print if receiving file name with open file name, obsif while true bytes read conrect 1024, if not bytes read break, write bytes read printf file name received successfully. Start the server, open a terminal window and navigate to the directory where your server script is located. Run the server script bash python server py. 2. Start the client, open another terminal window and navigate to the directory where your client script is located. Run the client script bash python client py. Make sure to replace example in the client script with the path to the actual file you want to send. Explanation of the code: server creates a socket and binds it to a specified host and port. Listens for incoming connections and accepts one. Receives the file name from the client, then reads the file data in chunks and writes it to a new file on the server. Client creates a socket and connects to the server. Sends the file name first, followed by the file data in chunks. Important notes: both the server and client must run on the same machine or network, for this example using localhost. If you want to run them on different machines, you need to replace localhost with the server SIP address. Ensure that the server script is running before starting the client to avoid connection errors. This example uses a simple socket without any error handling or encrypt socket without others. For production use, consider implementing error handling and security measures. Conclusion: you now have a basic understanding of how to transfer files over a network using Python sockets. You can expand upon this example by adding features such as progress indicators, error handling, or even implementing a more complex protocol for file transfer.